Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera. It is available in blush pink, charcoal grey, ice white, lilac purple and sky blue colors. Instax Mini 11 is design focused with a transparent frosting on the lens and a debossed Instax logo on the reverse. It comes with built-in automatic exposure that calculates the brightness of your environment and adjusts the shutter speed accordingly. Instax Mini 11 comes with a high key mode to take brighter pictures with a soft look that is suitable for portraits. It also comes with a sleek built-in selfie lens in the same color as the camera body that lets you click selfies and close-up shots in a range of 30 to 50 centimeters. The camera uses Instax Mini Film that gives a print size of 54 into 86 mm and image size 46 into 62 mm. You can also customize your camera with two shutter